Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Nokia G21 to an Android device. You need to begin by opening Play Store on both of them and tapping on the search bars. Now type in Send Anywhere and install this app from this developer. After that, just open it. Now you need to click on I accept, confirm, continue and then allow on both devices. After that, you can finally select Send on Nokia and Receive on an Android. Then click on all of those dots and tap on Send. This way you can choose all of your files and transfer them later on. It will take a while though, so I will go with only one photo. Choose Send and tap on Get It. Over here on an Android, choose No Thanks and close this window. Now we have to wait to connect. If you wish to, you can click on this QR code icon over here. Come on. Then select while using the app or only this time and point your camera at the code. But you can also just input this key here and choose Receive. As you can see now, after a couple of seconds, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!